Hi, this is Tianni Kareen. Welcome to another property tour. I'm currently standing in front of 5206 Danbury Road, located in the Maplewood neighborhood. This house hosts 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and guys, this house has its own rooftop. You ready? Let's go inside. Okay, when you enter the foyer, you are greeted by this stunning chandelier. This is one of my favorite fixtures in this home. I think it gives the home so much character upon entering, so I really love that. I really want you guys to check out this kitchen. This is a chef's dream. You have quartz countertop, then you have this dual sink because, you know, you accumulate a lot of dishes when you're cooking. But that's not my favorite part. Check out this 6-burner stovetop with a griddle, okay? And you have porcelain tiles surrounding it, so just to give it that grand restaurant feel. And you have plenty of ovens. You have not 1, not 2, but you have 4 there. So yeah, I think this is one of the highlights of this kitchen. Oh, one more thing. Your wine cellar here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you want a private showing, please feel free to reach out to me at 240-354-6602. And remember to always move with Tianni today. Bye.